If you're concerned about rumours of the HouseParty app allegedly being hacked, or if you just fancy deleting your HouseParty account, then here are the steps how. Firstly, from the main HouseParty screen within your app, you'll need to head over to the icon in the top left-hand side of your screen that looks like a face. Then you'll see a pink settings or cog icon in the top left-hand side of the screen again, and what you'll want to do is press onto that. Head down to privacy. And from here you'll see the option to delete account. Now it does state here that if you delete your account, you will never, in capital letters, get it back, which is partly true. But if you did want to, you could essentially just go through the sign up process again. Then once you click onto yes, you'll then be prompted to enter in your password. You then get one last chance to change your mind, and your app will then be deleted. Then once you've deleted your account, what you'll want to do is then make sure that you do remove the app from your phone too. So head over to your phone, and if you're on an iPhone, you want to hold and press down onto the app and click onto Delete App and confirm. Now one thing to mention is if you are deleting your account due to your privacy being compromised, then you'll need to make sure that you do change your passwords to any associated accounts too. Now one thing to make you aware of is the fact that HouseParty's Android and desktop apps do not allow users to delete your account, and as a result you will have to send an email to their support team in order to delete your account. So what you'll need to do is send an email across to support@houseparty.com. In the subject field you're going to want to type in request to delete account, and then within the body of the email you're going to want to ask to request to immediately delete your account, and then ensure that you include your full name, your HouseParty username, email address and phone number in your message. Then what are your alternatives to HouseParty? Zoom is a video conferencing service which is free of charge. This allows you to host more than HouseParty's party of 8, and you can host up to 100 people on their platform. You can do similar things such as sharing screens and documents, creating face-to-face chats, as well as sending messages through their chat platform. If you're new and need help getting started, I'll pop a beginner's guide in the summary below. Then in terms of other similar style apps that offer more than just video calling, you have the likes of Just Talk. Now Just Talk is great for larger groups of up to 50, plus you can challenge games. There's Squad, where you can share screen and video call with up to 6 different people. Airtime allows you to co-listen and co-watch videos with 6 of your friends, pulling in things from the likes of YouTube and Spotify to your call. And you also have Bunch, which is another app where you can access a whole host of games to play with each other. Then there's a somewhat forgotten and yet one of the very first video chat platforms available, which is Skype, and also a great alternative. So that was how you can go through and delete your HouseParty account. And I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.